Garden after the first snowstorm. Hello, welcome to Seven Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello everybody. So this is what we call the end of the growing season. We got our first snowstorm yesterday, and as you can see behind me, snow is here, and which means the garden is over. At least outdoor gardening is over. So let's take a look and show you what's going on, and show you what's going on in the garden. So here, this is the side of the house that I had. As you can see, snow covered everything. So all these are gonna die, and that's it. Garden is done. So let's go to the garden and see how the rest of the garden is. And as you can see, the whole place is covered with snow. We got the first snowfall. See? The greenhouse is still up. This is the garden. Everything covered. That's the garden right there. Everything covered with snow. Let me take you around. That is it. Everything is covered. Containers, garden beds, trees, everywhere, even the lawn, everything is covered. So that's it for our garden season, at least outside. So we're gonna continue in the greenhouse. So let me show you the greenhouse and show you how it's going. Stay tuned. There's a video coming up that shows you how to keep your greenhouse warm in the winter with minimal cost. So I'm gonna show you that. That video should be coming up soon. But let me take you inside and I'll show you the greenhouse. So as you can see, with the cold temperature outside last night and yesterday, they're still good. They're gonna survive with the warm temperatures today, warming up, and with the roof not having a lot of ice on it like it did last night and yesterday. A lot of sunlight is gonna get in, and they should recover. So everything inside here, I don't see any plants that are dead. So they're gonna survive. So stay tuned for a video coming up. I'm gonna show you what I did in the greenhouse to keep it warm and maintain the temperature in here so that the plants don't die with the winter and the cold weather outside. As you can see a chunk of snow right here. So Down here we have some more stuff still growing. Also behind here still have, so all of them are good. Temperature in here right now, let me show you the temperature in here right now. As you can see, temperature is 46 in here right now. So even though temperature outside it's about 35, 36, okay, that is it for today. I just wanted to show you guys the first snowstorm and how everything outside is gone. And the only vegetable we have right now is in the greenhouse. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing, everybody.